damage. I moved the car, turned it around. It's cloudy, it's perfect. I washed it with warm water. Soaked it all down, got it all nice and clean. Let it air dry off, and now I'm taping it off to put the Rustoleum on the hood so we can get rid of all the things I see. Nobody likes that. I see lots of XBs with that. But we're going to take care of it today and see how it works out and make a video out of it. As you can see, I'm taping off. I'm trying to get close as much to the crease in the hood as possible. And I guess I will be coming back once I get everything taped off and start sanding. I got the car masked up. I got the outline taped. Everything's ready to rock and roll, start sanding. We're going to be working in from that bottom green area down all the way to the edge. And we're going to get rid of all those dings. We got it all sanded, the rust sanded out, all the edges done. Everything's scuffed. Want to ruin a paint job? This is the way to do it. I've propped open the hood with my jack just so I have a little clearance to work through. Now next I'm going to blow off all the extra paint dust, and then I'm going to rub it all down with rubbing alcohol. Make sure it's completely clean and dry, and then we're ready for paint. Put on that Rustoleum. This is the finished product. Peeled off all the masking tape. This is after the second coat. Has a nice shine to it. I have a nice crisp line. I modeled it just after the same after the XB bras, except I just painted it on there. It's still curing, it's still drying. But I think it looks great. It takes out all those little chips and dents that you get having this flat front end.